What is a strong core? No matter how much abdominal work you do, you will never, ever have a strong core if your abdominal muscles are separated. What is a strong core? No matter how much abdominal work you do, you will never, ever have a strong core if your abdominal muscles are separated. You can only have a strong core if your abdominal muscles are close together. Crunches are the worst thing you can do as they separate your abdominal muscles. The more crunches you do, the larger the separation will get. This separation is called a diastasis recti. I'm Julie Tupler, and I have created the Tupler Technique, a research and evidence-based program to close separated muscles. First of all, you are probably wondering, why should I care if my muscles are separated? Here's why. The job of your outermost abdominal muscles, called the rectus abdominis, are to support your back and your organs, and they can only support them if they are close together. If they are separated, they are not doing their job. When they separate, the connective tissue that joins the separated muscle stretches sideways. So now it is this stretched out connective tissue supporting your organs and back instead of the muscles if they were close together. Needless to say, weak connective tissue is not a good support system for your back and your organs. Separated muscles can put you at risk for back pain, an umbilical hernia, poor posture, pelvic floor issues, and GI issues such as bloating after eating and constipation, just to name a few. If you are pregnant, separated muscles can put you at risk for a C-section. If you are having abdominal surgery, separated muscles can put you at risk for an incisional hernia, which is when the stitches come undone after your surgery. The first step in having a strong core is to check yourself to see if you have a diastasis recti. Many people have it and just don't know it. Please click on the link below to view a video and learn how to check yourself. There is another link to learn how to close your separated muscles with the Tupler technique with a free copy of my Tupler tips. So click on that link below, and thanks so much for listening.